And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here. This is a product review for this. As this is a product review, I can show you these pages. I can even read from it. But, okay. As you see, it's a universal motor speed controller. I got it all the way down. And this is variable. That's all the way dead slow as it came out of the box. Here is what it's competing with. A 30-plus-year-old. I got it when I was 17. Yeah, I got this when I was 17. I'm 65 now. All the way down. Nothing. You get where I'm going? Slow. This is a Dayton 10 amp Mark III. Oh no, it's Lutron Electronics. It's just like the Dayton 5 amp speed dial. Obviously Luton took over from Dayton on making this. And this is a Dayton 1/16 horse, 5,000 RPM motor. You might be saying, "My, that sounds awful slow. Only 5,000 RPM?" Well, you know, I do a lot of stuff where I don't want to go at warp 9 and screw up things at warp 9. I wonder, should I dig into it right now? Pop you off. Get a couple of tools here. You fit right. Yeah, you fit good. Now I've got them lightly loosened. Oh, this thing wants to come apart. Take off that nut. the back off this thing. Now, there's our diode. Oh boy. They go out of the way to overcomplicate crap, don't they? Okay, I saw another YouTube creator's video where he opened one of these up. Peeled this back. And he said he had to drill the hole right there. Oh, isn't this sweet? Well, another day when I feel like destroying $17 worth of Chinesium electronics. As it come out of the box, I don't recommend it. Unless you want to go a tiny bit down from full speed, not all the way. I'm going to have to do nasty things to it. For right now, it does not get Poppy's recommendation. Unless you're an electronics adept person. As you see, I got it back together. And here's dead slow. Should we do it? Not a significant enough speed reduction. Now one more time with the Lutein. It looks just like a Dayton. It wouldn't surprise me if Dayton sold. Now, again. It's pretty slow, huh? Down on 2. You hear that? I mean, I can hear the bad bushings that are, you know, bad because they're more than 40 years old. So, like I said, I'm going to open this thing up and do things to it. Yes, I am. I may have to destroy this nice plastic case so I can do them. Oh well. The electronics won't heat up as much that way, will they? Good night from California. Stay safe.